Hello, this is Matthew Shiloh, and this week we're discussing culture and what a culture, what a few things I want my culture to be in my athletic program. All right, so I just wrote the word, and then I'm just gonna speak on what I want it to be. One thing I would want is respect. A culture of respect is where players and coaches, respect each other. We as coaches work to know players on a personal level, so that we can teach and treat them as their own person, and this will help with you know coming together during times of conflict or things like that. If we know each other as people, then it will be easy to work through it. We as coaches also want to work to know each other as people and not just as coaches or somebody that calls plays. We want to know each other as people, and in that type of environment, that's where people usually work better together when you actually know the person that you're working with. In my program, I would always want hard work to be valued. We would we would make sure that us as coaches and the players know that when we work hard, it helps us reach our goals. It helps us reach our goals, and this process will start when those guys in seventh and eighth grade. We get good coaches on those levels that implement hard work into those guys, and then when they come over to the ninth grade, they would also know what hard work looks like. We would model that, and eventually, the younger players, as they push through our program, they will become the model. So we would show the younger players, the older players, and they would look at them and they would know that this is the expectation for the whole program. Hard work. Then goals would be clear. We would we would have we have team goals for the season. We have team goals for the 4 years that they're there. We'd have individual player goals and things of that sort, and we would start that in the ninth grade. Each week, me as the head coach, I would meet with the guys, and we would just build from there. We would begin by listing out, having players list out their personal goals, and then also have players listing out um, the team, that age group, maybe the whole ninth grade team would list out what would they want their goal for the season to be, and then what would they want to accomplish before they get through the program. And every year we would come back to it and we would build on it, and we would become very good at goal setting, and then very good at tracking how the things that we're doing to reach our goals, and are we reaching our goals. And that's the three things that I would want the culture of my program to be. I would want to be respectful, hardworking, and then goal oriented. Thank you.